you are new, welcome. I am normally not actually in the videos on this channel. We do have a vlog channel. Go check it out if you would like to see more of me and my family. Normally this channel is just like montage videos. I felt like I needed to get on and say though, I wanted to do like 25 days of like walk through my house, and then I'm doing it and I really feel like I'm just showing you guys that my house never gets cleaned. Except it does get cleaned and then it just is dirty again in 10 seconds. So we will do a walkthrough of my house again today, starting with my bedroom. I have done a ton of laundry, so now there is more baskets. These are all clean and need to be put away. My bed is half made anyways. There's a cat. The giant pile that was here is now gone, and the dirty clothes that was there is now gone. Those are clean, and that's probably not going anywhere anytime soon. The girls' room, they were playing and then they were cleaning, and now it looks like a disaster, so they need to come back and clean. This was the preteens room, and it's hardly ever clean. Decor that is really slacking at being put up. And we are not going downstairs today because I do have my mother-in-law and my brother-in-law that live with me, and they're home and they're down there, and we're not going to bother them. So if you have any ideas for how to make this more fun or interesting rather than me just showing you my dirty house every day of December, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow. Thank you, cat. We will see you tomorrow for another video. To make it certain.